saan galing yung energy, yung power. Then speed limit sir, meron na rin. Then yung different teams, meron na. Tapos yung AC, pwede na rin here. Tapos right ulit for fan. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos mayroon tayong launch control. Vehicle condition. So kunyari sir, dito sa I, gusto mo i-lock sa tire pressure. So hanapin nyo lang dito sa I, tapos enter yung analog. Mag-lock na siya dyan. Alarm siya. Pwede siya alarm or vibration. Natutune naman siya dito sir sa settings. Yan sir. ADAS. Yan sir. Active safety. Ayan na. Yung driver assist. Ayan, lane support sir. Pwede siya warning, prevention, or naka-off din. Pwede. Tapos pwede siya sound vibration or both. Ayan sir. Tapos meron din tayong traffic sign. So may camera siya, nalalaman yung speed limit. So lalabas siya dito. Marami na siyang feature. Tapos wireless dual. May different modes tayo. So we have snow field, sport, normal, saka eco. So pwede nyo siya i-on. Tapos may yung seats din may aircon na rin. Meron din siyang ventilate sir. Pero so limited lang siya sa harap. Lumbar and buttocks area siya. Actually may ano.
For comfort.
Yes po. And then may heated din just in case. And then may heated side mirror. And then may auto purification na rin siya. To clean the air.
Oh, that's good.
So the lower the better. This is the outside rating. And then yung different niya. Tapos meron din tayong a bit of personalization. So sa vehicle, if you want, actually ngayon sobrang light yung steering. If you want a firm, punta lang sa vehicle, sa chassis, and then go sport para mas matigas. And then similar din sa brakes. And then sa ambient lighting, and then we have sa ambient, we can also change the light. And then meron din tayo yung voice activation. So sabihin mo lang, hi BYD, open sunshade.
The blind is open.
Ayan. So marami din siyang feature. Every time you brake, the energy from expelled from the brakes, actually hindi na-expel, it absorbs it and brings it back to the battery. On the air updates, at the same time yung BYD app. So if ever you want mga ibang may hotspot pa rin tayo, if ever you connect your phone, you can still hotspot it here.
Why did you go so fast down? Am I? You want to feel nga
Right tayo ma'am.
This is naka-hybrid tayo or EV?
Hybrid, and then switch up ma'am if you want EV. Lalabas siya EV.
Let's try nga. EV ako ngayon. EV mode.
Ayun ma'am. Try to floor it a bit ma'am. Para mag-feel. Ayun ma'am. So you'll see actually negative. It's charging din. Ayun,
It's
negative,
charging.
negative, and then right tayo.
Saan yung may camera?
Here man, click this pop. So pop up. So, different angles. But if you want 3D, meron din.
Oh, well, I'm driving. I can do that.
Yes. Ayan. So even when you brake, naka-on yung brake light.
And I can move it. Okay.
Ayan ma'am, tayo ma'am. Press lang sa accelerator. P67 rated, both the battery and the motor. So it's water resistant. But BYD told us that for wading, if kailangan talaga, up to wheel cap lang. And then dito tayo mag-ready.
Hindi niya pa tinest. Tinest niya.
Yung Atto na test na nila.
Sa baha.
Yes. emergency talaga kailangan.
Actually, hindi siya nakikita.
So yung Ato pala, yung Ato 3, it reached hanggang Hood kasi kinailangan talaga nila nung bagyong Karina.
Atin right now.
Umabot siya, yeah. Umabot talaga dito. And then, they were kailangan nila tawirin kasi sobrang emergency na. And then, safe to say, okay naman yung Ato. Pero safety pa rin hanggang Wheelcap. Yung ano siya, so in the highway, if you turn it on, for example, you set it at 60, and then yung car mo sa harap mo is driving at 50, it will recognize. It will slow down to 50 for you. Tapos the other one is the lane keep. So, if you see it, may arrows, di ba may lane, may design na. So, if you leave the lane sa highway, mag-a-alarm siya. I mean, it's either it will vibrate the steering wheel and nawawala ka sa lane in the right time. Or ipe-prevent ka niya, magkaka-control niya yung steering.
Smooth siya.
Yeah, yung mga usual sinasabi nila, it's very smooth. It's actually good for daily drives talaga. Very comfortable.
Okay. It's back in one piece.
Try niyo yung park.